been whining all morning today. He hasn't pooped in 3 days, believe it or not. And he should soon.
Yeah, today's the day, probably.
Yes, that's what I told him. Today's the day, buddy. I said if he doesn't go today, then I don't know what's up. Joey just woke up too.
How are you, Joey?
He's all sleepy, sleepy, sleepy.
I woke up 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Oh, he likes to just say 1 o'clock.
I don't want.
He's so cute. He looks so cute.
Mom, down.
Looks like he's gonna fall asleep soon. And then it's breakfast time for everybody else. Is that right? He's purring. It sounds like he's purring like a kitty cat.
Mama, it's really Dino.
Oh, sweetheart. He likes his head moving like that. He's snoring. You're snoring. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, I just heard a pookie. A little fart came out. Okay, something comes out. Right, baby. Making a smoothie with Joey. We are making strawberry banana pineapple smoothie right now. Yep, as always, I add a liquid. Today it's apple juice with some breast milk. And then I put a little bit of yogurt in there, like vanilla yogurt. Joey, put it down. Stop licking that. You don't need to lick that. He likes to lick frozen things. And then he says his fingers are sticky. And then let's go wash. And then it has to be with soap. And then he'll stand there for 10 minutes washing his hands. And then I put chia seeds, coconut oil, bananas, 2 bananas, strawberries, and pineapple. There you go. We're gonna start blending. Get away. Jeez. Look. There we go. What am I saying? Pineapple gave it a really good taste. Seriously. Very good. Either it's the pineapple or the yogurt, but I'm gonna deliver this to Danny in his office.
The pink camera, it's broken.
Sweet baby Aviva sleeping, nursing and sleeping. Uh-oh, who's calling Gabe? Can you give me the phone, please? Oh, it might not be important. It might be again 800. Don't turn it on. Oh, it's nothing important.
No.
Thank you, sweetie. No, I don't need to. And just pick up and hang up. Oh, these commercials. I am just feeling so relaxed. I know, that camera is not working.
Do that and turn it off.
The batteries are dead and it got stuck. Jeez. Jim gets to play with that camera. It used to be our camera and from a while back. And it's not working. What you doing with that? Oh, goodness gracious.
Our brown camera.
Now you can.
We went to 2 brown cameras. Remember? 2 brown cameras. 1 brown camera broke. And like this. And you can
Goodness,
open.
no way.
And you can open. That other brown camera.
Oh, jeez. He's a little chatterbox. Loves to talk. Don't you? Don't you? Yes, you do. I was just pumping, almost done pumping. And this little guy woke up. And I'm like, uh-oh, what are we gonna do? He hasn't pooped in 3 days. I'm expecting it today. If he doesn't poop today, oh my goodness. Hopefully it won't be tomorrow at the appointment. And I'm just gonna undress him to weigh him. Hey, you might weigh a whole pound more if you don't poop. You hear me? I'm just gonna weigh him. I can't wait to find out. I think I stepped on the scale like a week ago and he was like about 12 pounds. Curious to find out what he weighs. He'll be 6 weeks tomorrow.
Mama, listen. Say cheese.
Say cheese, Binky. Anyways, we took a break from vlogging for a couple days. Because even though I enjoy doing this stuff, sometimes I feel completely like dry. I don't know. Maybe I just like want it to be just me and my kiddos without, I don't know what I'm saying. Cut, Danny. What is Gabe doing over there? He's playing. Oh, I don't know what we're doing today. I kind of wish we could go to this. It's called Swabi Island in Portland. And it's like this. It's an island, not a tropical one, but it has tons of farms. It's like just fields and fields. You could drive around the whole little island, and it's just like fields and farms. They have this little, a little store which has farm vegetables and fruits and such. I wish we could go there and check it out. See what they're selling right now in this season. Oh man, seriously, I can't wait for Aviv to poop. I'm anticipating it. Anyways, I'm just like looking at him. He's still sleeping, but he's like moving around, moving around. Oh jeez. Oh, Jonathan. Little Aviv is waiting for his Vietnamese meal. We're at Vietnamese right now, and we just got ordered our food. Did you order them some extra chicken? Okay, good. What are you doing? You don't need any more sugar. No.
Why?
That's enough sugar in there. Mom already did.
Enough sugar.
Hi, Danny.
Enough sugar.
Oh, somebody made a little pukey. Oopsie. Somebody's waking up and I forgot my Moby at home. I don't know how that's gonna go. Last time I had to wear him, bounce him down the hall and stuff like that. So I hope he's gonna be a happy boy so I can eat my food. What the heck is that on TV? Anyways, I delivered some milk to that girl that buys my breast milk, and now we're just, since it was so close to this Vietnamese place, my husband's favorite Vietnamese restaurant in town, we're here eating out and enjoying our hot tea for now. We're a goofball eating our foods. Is that right? Oh yes. Gabe. Hi.
I'm
Dan?
pretending to know how to use chopsticks.
Is that good soup, Danny?
That's really nice.
That soup was really good, seriously. And I love my food too. I go between this dish and that one that has the noodles from one of the vlogs previously. It's really delicious. Their chicken is so good. And then they had the sauce in here that had these little carrots. And it's so delicious. I just poured it over the rice. Oh, heavenly. You got something in your mouth? Oh boy. You saying what? Oh, so good. I should have had you for lunch. Or whatever this is, dinner. Because you're so beautiful, so precious. Oh my goodness. How are you doing, sweetheart? How was your nap? How was your 20th nap today? Home. That was some delicious Vietnamese. We started going there. Well, let's just say that Danny was going there before we even got married. And then we went there when we just got married, which was 9 years ago. Those guys have not changed. Those waiters at the Vietnamese place have not changed, and they've seen us go through life, you could say, having babies. Pregnant with the first baby, then finally carrying him in a car seat. That's kind of cool. Now they see us with 3 kiddos and life goes. So, yep. Look at these cute chocolates my sister gave me. Yummy. Chocolate lava cake chocolates. I wonder what they taste like. Anyway, my boys are watching cartoons and Aviv is sleeping, and I'm gonna go shower. I have a prenatal, well, I keep saying prenatal. I have an appointment tomorrow. It's a 6-week postpartum, so I can't wait to see my midwife, and I can't wait to find out how heavy Aviv is and all that stuff. I'm thinking of asking her, since it's a full physical for me, I'm considering asking her to draw my blood so she can send it off to test for allergies or sensitivities to food like wheat and dairy. I just want to know. I already feel the difference when I eat it and when I don't, but I'm never consistent enough to actually feel a huge difference. But I do feel a little difference. But I guess I'm just curious to know how sensitive I am, if I am at all. Maybe it's just all in my head. I doubt it, but that's what's happening. Well, I'm gonna go shower, the kiddos are gonna go to bath, and then we are off to bed. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.